Okay, y'all, I got in the doghouse today big time because I did something really stupid that I thought was not stupid until I reported to my wife the stupid thing that I had done. The stupid thing I did, well, wait for it. Let me see if I can flip my screen. Well, I can't flip my screen. Okay, well, we're just gonna go this way. The stupid thing I did was I took this nice little relic here. It was up in our garage up here, and I threw it in the dump. Yes, sir. Threw it in the dump. Because Tina said, don't throw away anything that's not garbage. And I'm thinking, that is garbage. What are you going to do with that? What can you possibly do with that? So I reported to her what I did this morning. Oh, it was not good, folks. It was not good. And she said this was probably the most valuable thing up in that garage that we possibly had. And then she begins to send me all kinds of fancy things that you can do with these. Yes, you can do all kinds of fancy things with these. Did you know that? You can make lights out of them. You can hang all kinds of things. Yep, that right there, that's priceless. And it is probably at least 100 years old, would be my guess. So I had already come back from the dump, and I'm like, well, I got to start my coaching calls. I'm in my first coaching call, and I am sick. I just feel sick the whole time. I'm trying to focus, trying to be with my guy, and he's struggling emotionally. And I feel like, man, I think I'm struggling more than this guy is right now, trying to stay focused. So I get done, I get in the truck, and I haul booty back to the dump. And I get there, and there it is. It's still in the metal dumpster with about 400 to 500 pounds of crap on top of it. So I look over, I don't see anybody, and I start pulling stuff off on top of it because it looks like it's still in good shape. This lady walks up, she's like, "Sir, can I help you?" I said, "Ma'am, do you remember me? I was here about an hour ago, maybe an hour and a half, and you and I put this in that dumpster. And I am now in the doghouse because my wife said, what in the world were you doing? Is there any possibility that I could at least try to pull it out?" Now, she wasn't going to let me in the dumpster. Thankfully, it was kind of near to the edge, but there was a crap ton of stuff. I'm talking like lawnmowers, like all kinds of stuff on top of this thing. So I'm in the middle of a coaching call too, by the way. I told my guy, I said, "Look, I'm sorry, but I am in trouble. You understand, you're married. Just help me out here." And so he did. So we're coaching. I'm coaching as people are coming up, dumping more stuff in, trying to dump it on top of this. I'm like, do you not see I'm trying to do something here, folks? I finally got all that stuff off. I pulled that thing out. I'm going to tell you, that was like pure relief. I texted my wife, and I was immediately out of the doghouse, and I am so happy that I spent the effort getting that thing back. So here it is, and we're going to have to do something super cool with it, and I'll send a picture at some point when we do it.